Are we able to put the horse on a boat?
No.
Oh fuck.
Backwards, so it pushes straight. I can go forward. I go backwards.
We're like a
so it
10th of the
pushes
way there.
straight.
We're like,
Yeah, it will take some time, but I'm curious if it could get on top of the boat.
well then we have to push the boat. Or you know, we can probably push the horse with the boat and that would be faster. I'm not gonna lie.
Maybe.
Oh,
Oh god.
dude.
What is it?
Oh my.
Oh,
We are
big
bringing
jump.
back a horse.
What do they have? I'm just
That's
tapping it. I'm just tapping it like every second, okay?
I'm slowly.
What did they have us
No.
doing, bro?
Bro, nah, this is
So cool, bro.
We're close. We're close. We're close.
Yo.
Oh my god, we got it.
No,
W.
no.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
all good. I just wanted to let it go. Come
W.
on.
Oh
Bye.
my, dude.
Oh my god.
Is that the meta? Is that the
If
meta?
someone kills